welcome back to your 30 days of yoga. Now today we're going to go through another balancing posture, which is great for feeling a little grounded and also lifting. A lot of stability going on, so enjoy the wobbles. They're all there for us. We're going to come into tree pose. So bring your weight into your left foot, starting with standing. Bring your weight into your left foot. Ground the left foot down, so spread the toes, really feel into all four corners of the foot. And start to just hover your right leg off your mat. Nothing too complicated, just maybe finding a little bit of space in the ankle, just feeling your weight distributing over to the left a little. Now from this space, we can either just stay here and just find this really sort of saggy pose, not very energetic, or we can start to lift out of that left leg, tuck the tailbone just as if our right foot was staying down, squeezing the inner thighs, lifting through the heart center. From this space, just start to hug your right knee all the way in towards the chest. Roll the shoulders. Energy in the right foot. Notice my foot isn't just limp here, it's energized all the way through, and I'm lifting through the heart. Now start to bring your right foot to your inner left thigh. Opening the hip, allowing the right knee to really dial open here. If this is a lot for you and you feel very unbalanced here, the right foot can either come to the calf or maybe all the way down, toes on the mat, and heel just lifted. Anywhere you're going, can you really lift out of the left foot? So find this energy. Place your foot wherever you need to, and then hands are coming together at the heart center. Roll the shoulders, lift the heart, lift the chest up towards the ceiling, soften the face, and just start to tap into your breath. Take an inhale, and an exhale. Lovely. Now hands can either stay where they are, or you can start to extend the arms all the way up. Bringing the thumb and the first finger to touch, roll the shoulders, tree pose, own it. Take another breath here, inhale. And as you exhale, release the hands if they were up. Hug the right knee all the way into the chest, give yourself a lovely squeeze, and then place the right foot all the way back down. And just pedal through the legs a little bit here. You might feel that all the stabilizing muscles in the left leg just start to work. Now bring your weight into your right foot. Switching over. So energize through the right foot, really pad all four corners into the mat. Start to bring your weight over there so the left leg can lift, maybe taking a few circles with the left foot, just getting used to bringing the weight onto the other side. Energizing all the way up through the body, tailbone is tucking, pelvic floor is lifting. Start to squeeze the left knee into the chest, roll the shoulders, lift the heart, there's length all the way through the body. Again, the left foot is energized. Now start to dial open the left hip and place the left foot wherever you placed it on the other side. So maybe to the inner thigh, maybe on the inner calf, or maybe all the way down onto the ankle. Let it rest there gently if it's down there. Press the thigh and the foot all the way into one another, so you're squeezing everything into the midline. Hands are pressing together at heart center, roll the shoulders. Thumbs are pressing on the sternum. Really find this length, this height, just like a tree. Either staying here or arms are lifting all the way up. Thumbs and index fingers to touch. Energy through the fingertips. Stay long in your breath. Let's take 3 breaths together. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Exhale, enjoy the wobbles in the right foot, and then gently start to squeeze the left knee all the way back into the chest. Roll the shoulders, lift the chest all the way up, and gently place the left leg down, pedal through the feet. Just come back to the balance in the body, shaking anything out, and then roll the shoulders. Arrive back in the present body, in the present self. Taking a big inhale. And a big exhale, side out through the mouth. So nice. I shall see you tomorrow on the mat. That was your tree pose.